PowerBlog. Welcome to today's video. You got Corey Neese here, also known as Coach Corey 3 over on Twitter. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your very own plug and play, ready to go, click and point blog, PowerBlog, using the PowerLead system, of course. Now, glad to be doing this video. It's been a long time since I had a PowerBlog set up. I used to have several of them linked up, and I've been playing with this feature for years. I just didn't renew my domains. So then, because that happened, if you don't renew your domain inside PowerLead system, those domains get, I don't know what happens, they get selected by other people. So basically it's harder to repurchase them. So I just decided to go with the totally brand new domain for my business called funnelsforanybiz.com. So maybe you'll get some ideas from this video about promoting PowerLead system, for your own business. I'm kind of going with the funnels as the main, marketing, unique selling proposition, right? So aligning that with my Twitter brand and what I have here on Facebook, just showing you that quickly. So I went with funnels for any biz. So maybe you want to make some kind of similar design or branding. It's up to you. But anyway, what I did was I just went here, I clicked on the domain, and I decided to purchase this domain right from within my PowerLead system back office. So it's already in my system, ready to go to access my unlimited blogs, and I linked it up to my PowerBlog right away. It says it takes 2 to 3 hours for it to propagate and get ready. It hasn't taken that long. You can see my site here. I did a little playing around with it. It's not finished, but just wanted to show you guys some really quick updates on how to use the PowerBlog. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you can do is you can create an unlimited amount of, let's see here, what happened here. You can create an unlimited amount of subdomains and then link it to as many different blogs as you want. I'm checking out what happened here on the screen. This is the default kind of outlook of the DV 3.0 outlook for the PowerBlog. So anyway, I was just seeing if something changed. All right. So sometimes it's a little bit glitchy, or sometimes it might take a little bit for it to load or for you to get used to it. I had to just dig around for a long time just to center that button there, because it just takes a little time to get used to the visual builder outline thing or whatever, so the tool builder. So anyway, I want to show you my back office here before I go on and on. What you can do is create a subdomain by going to this section, manage subdomains, right? So go in here and you can create a subdomain right here. So I could create like Coach Corey subdomain. All right. And then what I can do, click manage websites, right? Click manage websites, and that subdomain I just made is going to be right here. All right. CoachCorey.funnelsforanybiz.com. All right. So I can scroll all the way down and I can link that to my PowerBlog, and I can click save. And then it's going to say, I understand it may take 2 to 3 hours before my domain subdomain will be available to use, even after it tells me it's propagated. All right, promise to watch the blog tutorial video explaining propagation before asking questions. The link to the blog tutorial videos is on the next page. Expect the same delay times for transferring back for use with PLS. And then you click I understand, continue to the admin area here. So my default domain linked up pretty fast, and I was able to go in here and edit my site. And I'll show you how I got to that point. So when you bring a subdomain into the PowerBlog, you want to click on My Sites in this dashboard area. Give it a second for it to load. It does take a little bit of time to load. I believe they have some agreement or integration, I believe, with WordPress. So this is like a WordPress technology, and it's just linked right into PowerLead system. So it is very convenient to use because it gives you the control centers all right here. So you can see these are these old domains that I let go. Unfortunately, wish I wouldn't have done that, but I got my new one up here, and I set this one up here, but it's not propagated yet. So if you do extra subdomains, it might take a while to propagate. Maybe not. Maybe I could edit that website here on the fly. Just show you guys, some quick training. And then what you want to make sure is how it appears on, your phone. So this is my blog site, my main domain, and you can kind of see how it looks pretty centered and even there. You want to really make sure that it looks good on the phone because most of your traffic is going to be mobile. All right, so we're in the section. Basically, the main thing you want to focus on here is you want to click on, where is it? You want to click on the theme. No. So you can click on appearance to make some basic changes of like the general outline, or you really want to click on, I think it's theme options. I don't know, I clicked menu management. It's going to take some time to load. But if you just stay with me in this video, I'll show you. So you can manage the menu here with like the different pages. You can manage all that here, custom links, post, etc. How it shows up. So you can manage it there. Let me actually click visit site. So when I like to go in the upper left hand corner, I actually like to click visit site, and then let's see. Okay, cool. So I want to be able to edit this site, so I'll have to log out, I believe. So I want to edit this site. This is a little subdomain I have pointed to the PowerBlog. Basically, all you do is, like I said, you get your subdomain, and then you link it right up to your blog, if I can find that section again. All right, let me just log back into PowerLead system. Let's see if it'll work. Manage websites. So I want to look for Coach Corey blog, Coach Corey. Where is it? CoachCorey.funnels for any biz. I'm going to scroll all the way down. I think this one's already linked up to the PowerBlog. So then, yeah, I would click Save My Choice. It's already linked in there. Give me a second. So I'll scroll all the way up. I can just if you want to just log into the PowerBlog section, that's how you do it. You go under Promote Your Business, and then click PowerBlog. And then you want to click Create Site. So when you put in your subdomain, it'll show up here. Any domains you add to the PowerBlog will show up there, and you can check it. It says propagated, so it should be good to go. And I can put in, site name. And then you can easily select a template. The DV 3.0 is kind of like the default one. I think it's the easiest to use. But they do have like a magazine style layout, and they have, that's right here, style shop. They got e-commerce sites. So you can kind of take a look around and check it out. What's this one? You can click on every template you see and get an idea of how the outline's going to be, and learn about it a little bit here. Where is it? I know we have like an e-commerce one. I don't know which one it is. We got like an e-commerce layout. I think you can learn about it actually. I'll get over that another time. But basically, I've been going through our Social Profit Academy course here, which is the platinum level, and it teaches you how to sell e-commerce, Shopify, and with Facebook ads. So for those of you that get this course, if you want to sell e-commerce or your own t-shirt business, he teaches you how to sell your own t-shirts step by step, paint by numbers course. you can plug a PowerBlog site up with an e-commerce template, whichever one that is, and you can use that training in the social profit and start your e-commerce business that way and start making money online like that. So I'll just click DV because it's easy for me to use. So then I click create site, and then it's creating a site here with these little buttons are loading. Those little circles are loading right there. All right, and then it's going to say site added successfully. You want to click dashboard, and then I want to go back to my sites, and I think the other one might be propagated. Let's see, I'm not sure. Let's see here. This one says not propagated still, but I don't know why. I wonder if I can edit it still, and then maybe it'll be propagated later. Here, this one's propagated. So the ones that are in green supposedly can work. The ones that aren't can't work, but let's play around with it and see what we can do. So this is the one I just added. Blog, actually, where is it? No, I just added Coach Corey. This is the one I just added right here. So I'm going to click on dashboard. And I'll kind of show you how to use the DV theme. So again, the main steps you need to know, I don't want to make this video confusing, is get your subdomain and then point it to your blog and then click create your site, and your blog is basically set up. Now you might have to wait 2 or 3 hours for it to propagate, like you can see that I'm showing you this in real time, but that's how easy it is. So in like 3 steps, get your domain, point it to the PowerBlog, and then click create site. You can do that for as many different subdomains as you want. So funnelsforanybiz.com, this is one website. This is one marketing site. I don't know why it keeps doing that. There is on this half the screen, it's split there. I don't think it's supposed to do that, but anyway, then there's this other site that is, coachcorey.funnelsforanybiz. All right. So what I want to do is visit this site here. I think last time it didn't work because I was in a different site. Okay, let's see here. Why is this not working? I want to be able to edit this page here. It's gonna give me an option here. Give me a second. I need to log out of this one. Or it'll allow me to click enable visual editor in the other one. All right, let me go back to the PowerBlog section. It's not as hard as what it might seem. It's just getting it set up and then giving it time to propagate. You click the login to the PowerBlog section, then you go to your website here, click on My Site. It's probably because, okay, now it says this is propagated. This one's propagated. All right, this one's propagated. See if the other one is too. Takes a minute to load. So that one's not propagated yet, blog, but this one is, and that one is. So I don't know how it decides which one works or not, but that's probably why I couldn't edit it, because it wasn't propagated, so it wasn't set up. So that's my fault. I apologize for the extra time it's taken. But when I'm ready to edit my site, all I got to do is click on the visit your site in the left hand, and then I can click enable a visual builder. And I'll try to be quick about these tips here. So it does take a little bit of time to load. And we're looking at 15 minutes already. Wow. So you'll get all this training here. If you want to do that or not, you can take the tour. I'm just going to click start building. They give you tons of tips though, so you can take the tour. I'm just going to click start building. And basically you can start building your website with the visual editor. You can put in your own images, your video backgrounds. You can leave it the way it is a bit, put in your your own text or customization. So you can do that by clicking the gear icons. You can change out the text of, you know, what this says. So that would be like marketing funnels, etc. You can play around with this. You can do that kind of on your own. If you need help setting up your site, because this went on to be a lot longer video than I wanted it to be, just let me know. I can probably help you with your blog, some basic questions, or if you happen to get like the platinum course, here is my back office. If you get like the platinum course or maybe even diamond, I could probably help set up the blog for you, or at least help you customize it. So if you can set it up, depending on what level you go, I can help you customize your site, help you work around with it. Like I've said, I've used this feature a lot. It's a really, really good feature. It's a good place to advertise your business, sell multiple things, host all kinds of different things you want to sell. You can create as many different niche sites as you want. Just like I just showed you, I got coachcorey.funnelsforanybiz, that's going to a blog. I got funnelsforanybiz.com, that's going to a blog. So you can create unlimited amount of these. You just got to play around with it, and there you have it. Now it clicks through, goes to my website. So if you want to use the PowerBlog, it's not hard to use. All you got to do is plug it to your subdomain and click create site, and you're all set. And if you need help doing that, the customization, working what you saw on the screen today, reach out to me. Maybe if you upgrade to one of these top packages like the master level 2, I could probably help you set up some blogs and really get your site going. So click the link below if you're not already part of the team, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.